Hey now, I'm Witt. Another surprise unboxing from Watch Gang. This is my Black Tier quarterly subscription for August 2021. Yeah, so if you're new to the channel, you can click right here and check out this video. It gives you, it's a recent review that I did of my first year of Watch Gang, the first 4 watches from quarterly. So check that out. It'll get you caught up to speed. And then now we'll dive into this one, my 5th watch on the quarterly plan. Oh, too funny. I'm laughing because I recognize this box, the case. Oh, all right, I'll explain in a minute. First, you got this August spin, $10. All right, Labor Day is coming, yes. All right, so here we have, see, there's the surprise. Oh, that is too funny. Okay, here's a link to a video right there. I just bought a Chronologia because off of the Watch Gang. I didn't get it from Watch Gang. Outside of Watch Gang, I bought it because I was interested in the watch. I just bought one. So that is too funny that now they're sending one. Hopefully, there was from a Watch Gang subscription from probably at least 2 years ago, though. So this one should be much different. Let's see what we got. I hope it's extremely different because I don't need 2 of them. Oh, wow. Oh, that is different. Oh, cool. All right, so first things first, let me show you the case. These are nice cases they have. So you've got your... Oh, I got 2 warranty cards. Oh, no, okay. There's a Watch Gang warranty card. And then welcome to your new watch. About the material. Oh, maybe I should check that out. Carbon fiber. Okay, so another carbon fiber watch. That's what I kind of meant, that I don't need 2 Chronologias. They specialize in carbon fiber. But I guess, why do you need 2 stainless steel watches, right? Maybe I'll enjoy it. And then, so this is a headlamp. Okay, cool. No batteries included. That's always a nice touch. Okay, cool. We'll check that out later. It looks, that's not carbon fiber. Oh, I like the strap. That's nice. Okay, so, but what we're here for, let's pull out this. Wow, look at that bezel. That's cool. And do I see we have a GMT? All right. And Swiss movement, you can see it, ticking away 1 second at a time, so we know it's quartz. And pretty cool strap. Wow. Very interesting. All right, let's get a sticker peel going because this is bugging me. We cannot see that. You ready? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh, that is a gorgeous dial. I really like that. And look at those sword hands. You got the big 12, 6, and 9. Nice date window with a little border. And that pop of yellow for the minute, the 5, 10, 20, 25, etc. It's got a great contrast. Then with that red GMT hand, man, this is put together nicely. And then this bezel, it's the same material as the case. Well, maybe it isn't, though. Look, it's got a slightly different color to it. But there's that carbon fiber case that they're known for. Looks like the crown, which is signed, has the same material or look of that kind of gunmetal gray on the bezel. Let's oh, not consistent, but that's got a good tactile ratchet to it, but it wants to slip out of place here and there. And it appears to line up pretty well. Yeah, it does. And you've got some texture here on this top part. See if I can get you kind of a side profile where you can see it's almost, it's a raised level there. Yeah, that's a great looking watch. What do I do now? I think I might keep this one. Like I said, I don't need to, but this one's quartz, so it'll be a grab and go, and it's a little different because it's a GMT. But Do you do you recognize a problem with that GMT? Because I believe I do. Correct me if I'm wrong, but there is no 24-hour bezel. So if that is a 24-hour GMT hand, how am I supposed to guess at which of those 24 hours it is? Because that would go around one revolution in 24 hours. So that might be a little bit of a design faux pas. Again, unless I'm missing something, I believe you would want this to be a 24-hour bezel. So instead of this 60 and 10, 20, 30, etc., it should be 24 hours around. Huh. All right, well, we'll figure that out in a minute here, but otherwise we'll keep exploring. This strap it feels very silky. It's really nice. It's rubber or silicone. It's got a real kind of slick feel to it, and look at the way it's kind of integrated with the lugs. It's got a very clean look. I like that. And then the backside has some texture as well. Still very soft. I mean, this is like, it feels like an oil slick. It's slippery. I like that quality. All right, and then the buckle has got that same kind of gunmetal gray on the tang and buckle and it's signed as well. Stainless steel. Ready? Oh, that one was unsatisfying. All right, so you got Canyoneer. So that must be the model of this Chronologia. You see a bit of a mountain and stream effect going on there. And then the information is 10 ATM, 330 feet. Swiss movement, and again, Canyoneer. Chronologia across the center there. If I would have got this one first, I never would have bought this one. But again, this is, my idea behind this one was it's a beater, and but an automatic form. It's nice to have an automatic and still have that carbon fiber case and have it be a rough and semi-indestructible. But like I said, I probably wouldn't have bought this one if this one would have came first. This one is definitely more interesting looking. I really like that dial. It's got a nice layout. Okay, so it is not a screw down crown. So first click should be the date and GMT. Yeah, there's GMT hand in this direction. And should be date in this direction. It is. And then second click is the hacking. And there's your handset and your GMT moving. Okay, here we go. So now we're cruising around. So see, 6. And this is over here at, without a 24-hour marker, it's at the 3 o'clock position. You need that 24-hour somewhere. If it's not on the Riot or, 24 hours marked onto the dial somewhere, you need that reference point. I don't know. I feel like they missed the mark there, not having the. I mean, it's not useless, but boy, it sure would be nice to give me a little help. I mean, I guess you would learn to figure it out, obviously. So almost 47 on the diameter. Then your lug to lug is 53.5. Thickness is 14.1. Lug width is going to be 24. What do you think? We got sapphire? All right, let's weigh this thing with the carbon fiber case. Interesting to see, what its weight is. And first, though, if you're going to get your own watch channel, make sure you get the shiniest scale possible. It's great at picking up fingerprints, I mean, it's just... Why did I do that to myself? Let's get a stainless steel scale. Okay, we're zeroed out, and leave the swing tag off of there. 108 grams. Okay, interesting, because let's see, this one here, which was the automatic, it feels a lot lighter. I think it was 79 grams or so. Yeah, so it's showing up as 80 today. I think a lot of it, I mean, this one definitely has a little more heft to it as I hold both of them. It's light on its own, but as I compare these two, this one definitely feels heavy, and I'm sure it comes from most of that stainless steel caseback. It's a little bigger and seems to be... I don't know, maybe even thicker. So I can feel the weight in the watch head of this one, whereas this Chronologia, it just feels light all over. So interesting. Wow, strong in the loom game, huh? Well, I don't know. Wait, look at that hour and second hand. They should be, as big as they are, they should just be a swath of loom. But actually looks like they might be fading a little quicker than the others. But check it out. So no seconds hand, but they do have the GMT hand here loomed. And even the date window, which is funny because I feel like if you don't have a loom date wheel, I mean, what's the sense of, the date window? But I don't know. It's a nice touch, though. Those hour markers and the 12, 6, and 9 look great. And that GMT, the GMT seems to be the brightest, actually. I wish they could have carried over that thickness and intensity on the hour and minute hand. But all in all, nice. So those are definitely some specs I like since I've got a larger wrist. I'll try it on and show it to you now. Today I'm wearing the fourth watch that I got from the Watch Gang Black Tier. This is a Pure Dial Tempo Star, and you can check out that video right there. I'll show you that unboxing. All right, there it is on my 8-inch wrist. That's got a great look and feel to it. This strap is nice and buttery. Oh, I mean, it's just like velvet. That's really a nice strap. Well, anxious to see if it's going to collect any dust or not, like most rubber and silicone do. But love that blue that ties in with the bezel and the chapter ring. That's just a nice integration. Really sharp. You can see it is a little tall, but again, for larger wrists like mine, this is just really got a great fit and finish to it. Great look. So what do you think of this Chronologia Canyoneer? I noticed that seconds hand is hitting all of its markers. I surely dig that. Is this a big boy watch that you would sport, or you'll pass? Let me know in the comments section down below. Love to talk to you about it. And make sure you give me a follow by subscribing, and then you'll be able to check out the full review of this watch. That's the normal process, a little unboxing video that's pretty in-depth, and then a shorter, more concise review down the road. If the watch stays in the collection, right? So we'll find out if it makes the cut. I think this will. I'm going to have to learn how to tell the time on the GMT without that 24-hour bezel, though. I'm Witt with so many watches, so little time, and money.